Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to see your Facebook password. So let's dive in. So you cannot see your Facebook password from Facebook because then anyone would be able to access your account. So what you want to do is go ahead to your settings, and we are going to scroll all the way down to Google. Scroll all the way down to Google. Here it is. Click on Google and you will be able to manage your account. So you want to click on manage your account, and then it is going to take us to this page here, and I'm going to switch my account to my main account, this one, and you want to scroll horizontally to security, and you're going to scroll all the way down to password manager. And these are the websites and apps that I have my passwords saved. And here is Facebook. So if you want to access it, you need to have a fingerprint or a screen lock, which I do not have. But once you do, click on it and you'll be able to access your account. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.